What you're seeing is the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. And meron ako nakita dito na possible falling wedge. Falling wedge is a bullish pattern. If it breaks to the upside, it needs to break to the upside to complete it. And the target once na ma-break yan is the top of the wedge. Top ng wedge is around 102,000. So usually, pag mga ganitong wedge, bumabasag ito pagka medyo mas ipit na yung price. Okay? So, pag ganito, sasakay ka, kailangan mo medyo tiisin muna. Ayan, dyan, yung laro dyan sa loob. Right? So, nakita mo, nauuntog na yun. So, pag hindi ito bumasag, today, most likely, nakita ka ulit, pababa ulit. Might revisit again the 94K level. Then, it will try to break again. Try to pop again and try to break again. Another attempt, kung di na naman, another leg down. Until finally pasagin niya. But most of the time, yung falling wedge naman na ganito na nakikita ko, bumabasag yan to the upside. It's just that if you enter too early, kasi nga atat ka, you don't have patience, nakakapahan ka pag bumababa, ay naka-leverage ka pa, na-liquidate ka pa, naka-strategy talaga. Kung nag-breakout, amon na naman ang hula. So how to trade falling wedge? Pwede po, breakout. Wait for the price to break out. Ito sa trend line. Breakout and meron tayong confirmation. Since this is a 4-hour chart, we need to see the price break above and trade above. May follow through tayo na long green candle. Let's say, magko-close po siya sa 4-hour and then may follow through ka na long green candle. So that's a confirmation of breakout sa 4-hour time frame. Until we don't see walang confirmation, most likely papalik lang din po yan dito. Para hindi ka maiwanan, what we do using our TPI system is mababa kami sa lower time frame. You can go to 1 hour or 15 minutes and then look for confluences above this trend line. Look for buy signal above the trend line, right? Above the trend line, ha? May mga nakikita na tayo ng mga buy signal pero nasa loob pa siya. So you need to look for confluences above, a buy signal above. So pwedeng sa 15 or sa 1 hour. Kung mas conservative ka, you could use 1 hour time frame na buy signal. Follow for more Tito moves.